morning everyone, my name is Rushil and I am from grade 9. So today I am here to give you some information about career. So before starting, I will tell you what I am gonna explain you. Introduction of career option, key skills, institutions, prospectus, applications, salary review and conclusion. So I'm gonna tell you about augmented reality and virtual reality developers. Basically, if we select a career, we need some skills in it. So these are 4 skills that we need to know about when we are going to become a virtual reality developer. So first is strong communication skills, and next is problem solving. You have to know how to solve the problems which we are facing in virtual reality developer. And coding, you have to know coding also, like C, C++, Java and Python. And last but not the least, 3D gaming skills. You have to know about gaming skills which we are using in VR and AR. So I'm going to tell you 4 institutions that you can prefer to become a AR or VR developer. So IIT Mumbai is one of the institutions that you can prefer for, and Srishti Bank, which is in Bangalore, NID, National Institute of Design, and University of Portsmouth in UK. So prospectus, we use VR and AR in these prospectus like real estate, retail, recruitment, medical training, building design, and healthcare. These prospectus, the technology of AR and VR is benefit in these prospectus. And applications, where do we use this AR and VR? We use this AR and VR in gaming industry, and education, military training, medical training, and entertainment. And here, he's the Tony Stark again. He came. You can see actually there is a headset on his head, and he's controlling everything. So this is how it actually looks like. And these are the salary view, 6,000 in India, and past it's 5 lakhs per annum. Conclusion. In the view of emerging trends in technology, AR and VR has a career option, will fetch an advantage of high pay, classic work, style, and above us. It's in exploring the other slide of augmented and virtual reality. And these are the references and these are the links that I refer to get this information. I would like to extend my gratitude and love to my dearest one, Mr. Anish, for leading me his helping hand and completing the presentation. Also, I propose my science thanks to Dr. M.M. Sastry sir and entire management of Laurel High Global School, and special thanks to Ganesh sir and my class teacher Sarabjit ma'am. Thank you.